Oh man, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, it feels good to be in front of the camera again. I know I've been gone for a minute. I haven't posted in like almost a month now, like a video on my channel. Last video I posted was the cool grays, and it's just been hectic, man. I've been selling a lot of sneakers, as you guys can see. My closet back then used to be full of sneakers. We had the whole closet full, and then in front of it we had still like another 2 rows, but those I moved to the basement, and I've been working with a store, so I moved a lot of that to the store. If y'all want to check out the store, it's Kick Addiction LLC on Instagram. Make sure y'all go check that out. And yeah, your boy's just been working, and I have filmed a lot of videos, like 2, 3, 4 videos for you guys, but I just haven't gotten along to edit it because, you know, in the process of making a video, you have to have B-rolls, thumbnails, and everything. I just have the raw cut film video like portion, which I could throw up on YouTube, but you know, why throw something up when it's not your best? You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you do have to do that to stay in the algorithm. I know I've probably been out the algorithm, but just some stuff to look forward to. Like I said, I'm gonna have a lot more clothes up, so I'm trying to get into a lot more like fashion stuff for you guys. But like I said, I still have the top sweatpants for the winter for you guys. I know it's supposed to be fall and winter. I'm still gonna label it that, but it's only gonna be in the winter time because what we about to be, today's the 21st, so we're in winter time. This Beluga video I was supposed to film on Saturday, but yeah, I'm getting into it today, so you guys will get that today. I also have How to Lace Jordan 11, so if you guys are into that, make sure y'all check that out. And I have my Jordan 11 cool grade pickup vlog, and then a couple other videos I scrapped. But yeah, your boy is coming back, so don't even trip. I'm gonna have a lot more videos up for you guys. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down and hit that subscribe button, and also leave a like on the video. But that's enough for the intro, man. You guys are here for one reason, and I'm here for one reason, and that is to bring you guys the Beluga Yeezy review, man. So look, first things first, when I didn't even like know that this shoe was releasing until like last month, man. Usually when Yeezys release like an OG colorway, there's like a lot of hype leading into it. Everybody's like, yo, I need the Belugas. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't that crazy this time. They just like threw it in there for like their holiday drop, and it was like Beluga 2, it wasn't even 2.0, it was like the OG one, but reflective. So the OG colorway released in 2016. I was a freshman in college at the time, and yeah, I wasn't a huge fan of that colorway. I don't know why everybody loved it, but I wasn't able to get my hands on them. But I did have the breads back then, so I didn't really care for it too much. And then they also dropped the 2.0s, which were a cleaner colorway than the 1.0s, but everybody liked the 1.0s because of the orange stripe. So yeah, they brought it back. They're calling this one the Beluga Reflectives, and it's a little bit different because it's reflective. So yeah, I guess, I don't know if that's cool to you guys or not. So let's get into the unboxing, man. So right here we have the box. Regular Yeezy 350 box. It says 350 on top, Boost on the side, and Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas over here. And then same thing on this side, but this side has the size tag. As you guys can see, it is Yeezy Boost 350 V2, size 8.5, and the color code is I guess it's Beluga Reflective, Straight Gray, and Solar Red. That's the colors that they have. And yeah, here you guys have another look at the label if you guys want to legit check and stuff. Usually I like to see like the Y right here on the Yeezy lines up with that line if it's made in like China. This one is made in China. Yeah, so yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So it's a slide open box. You guys, you know, here's the receipt. Foot Locker. Bought it from Foot Locker 3rd Ave, I believe. Yeah, no, Bay Plaza in New York. The retail on this shoe is $240 now. They upped it for some reason. Maybe it's because it's the reflective pair, but it is $250 retail now. And after tax in New York, it comes out to around $259, $260. So yeah, here we have the sneaker. So on the inside, it comes with this paper. It's like, it has like a tint to it. It's like a little shiny tint to it, and just flipping it open, boom, there you guys have the sneakers right here. And I also have to point out that the Yeezys, they come along with this tag now, and it's weird. Before they used to do this plastic thing, now they come along with this paper knot just put together to keep the size tag hanging, I guess. But a lot of people I know, they just take it off, wear the shoe, and then put it back on and claim that it's new. Like, people are really crazy for that. But yeah, that's just another detail that you guys should look out for if it wants to focus. No, stop focusing on me. Boom. And we're gonna cut to a B-roll so you guys get a closer look and all the details and stuff like that. So yeah, let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys got a good look at all the details of this sneaker right here. And it's actually nice to look at an OG colorway finally back in our hands that we could get on. I was only able to pick up one pair, and that shout out to my friend Angel, and he assisted me on this pair. But I bought some pairs off of other people, but I forgot to enter for the raffle on Adidas. I didn't hit on Foot Locker apps and stuff like that, so this wasn't actually a really good release for me. But yeah, here we are. Still gotta get you guys the review. So jumping straight into it, colorway breakdown. So the main color on this sneaker is this gray. It's like this Beluga gray that people are used to, and it has like knitted along with a darker gray. So it's already like a dark gray, but then it's knit together with another darker gray layer, as you guys can see on the upper. And then they have this, they're calling this solar red, but it kind of looks like orange to me, this stripe coming along the side. And on the outside, it has the boost for the outsole, which is white. And that's pretty much the colorway, man. It has also the 3 supply 350 right here. Most V2s have that. The OG ones, they have like the stripe and then the writing. So yeah, that's pretty much the colorway. Colorway is pretty simple on this sneaker right here. On the inside, it's pretty cool because you guys can see all the knitting that goes along with the sneaker. And the laces is a rope lace, and it's a reflective 3M. They also have 3M knitting along the, I guess, like the lighter gray details on the sneaker. It's not fully reflective like the black reflectives or the other reflectives that came out where the whole shoe was reflective. This one just has like reflective hints of certain knits that are reflective. Talking about knits, let's talk about, and since we're talking about knits, let's go through the material breakdown of this shoe right here. So the upper of this shoe is Adidas Prime Knit, 100% Prime Knit on the upper. As you guys can see, some areas are knitted like more thin than others for, you know, breathability, and other places are knit thicker for like durability. See what I did there. But yeah, man, so basically the upper is 100% Prime Knit besides the sock liner area. This is like it's knitted together as well. And then they have like 3M knitting, and they have the 2 knits that are 2 different shades of gray. The stripe is also right here knitted. The laces are rope laces, like I said. And then it has a cage midsole for the boost. The cage is rubber as for the outsole, and then on the inside of that is this Adidas boost, which is probably one of the most comfortable midsole materials out there still to this day, man. Like, it's just so bouncy and supportive. It's just great. So yeah, Prime Knit upper, rubber cage outsole, midsole with boost. And yeah, that's pretty much the materials for the sneaker. When it comes to the material setup of Yeezys, it's pretty simple, but it really does get the job done. It's super comfortable, and Adidas just found this like perfect formula for a, I guess you could say, fashionable, comfortable sneaker, man. So with that being said, let's talk about sizing on Yeezy V2s. So as for sizing, I do recommend you guys going true to size or up half a size. So these are at 8.5. I'm personally at 8.5 or 8.9. I do get all my Yeezy 350s in 8.9, but 8.5 do fit. It's just a little snug, so I do recommend you guys going up half a size, because it does take a little break-in period right here on your like top of your foot to break it in, and then Yeezys will get much more comfortable. So yeah, make sure y'all go true to size or size up half a size on Yeezy V2s. Now with sizing comes comfortability, and I already touched on this subject. Yeezy V2s are one of the most comfortable sneakers. I'll have to give it probably like a 9.5 out of 10. The only uncomfortable part is when you have to break in the front right here, it pinches your foot. But if you go up half a size, that should solve that problem. So these are definitely a 9.59 out of 10 comfort. The only thing I would say is that after a while the boost does wear out, because that's what boost does. But it does form to your foot, and you just have to break in that thing. So those are only 2 gripes about comfort. Everything else, perfect. And that pretty much breaks down the whole sneaker. I'm gonna jump to a quick little B-roll to give you guys an on-feet look of the Yeezy V2 Belugas. And when we come back from the on-feet, I'm gonna break down my resale predictions and give y'all my final opinions, man. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the on feet, hopefully you guys like the on foot look. I just threw on some Calabasas sweatpants because I love Calabasas sweatpants, and I only could wear them with like Adidas Yeezys or slides. So it's just like, that's why I have certain Yeezys in my collection and Adidas shoes, just to wear them with my sweatpants, because I'm tired of like wearing them with Crocs. But let's talk about resale, man. So right now this sneaker resale wise, so right now this shoe resale wise is not going for crazy amounts like the Belugas once did. The OG Belugas used to be like $800 to $1,000 at one time, but I feel like the Yeezy hype started to die down a little bit, besides like all black Yeezys or the super OG colorways. But right now they're around like for smaller sizes around 300, 320, a little bit higher for once it gets up. So right now the price range is from 320, I would say, to 370 for sizes like 4 through 12. If you get to like 14, 15, those are unicorn sizes, so they're just going to be crazy high for no reason, just because how rare the sizes are. But I do recommend you guys picking these up right now around these prices. If you guys get them for like 300 to 330, I would recommend picking them up and just holding on to them, because it is an OG Yeezy colorway. Personally, it's not one of my favorites, but I know a lot of people like this colorway, and yeah, I do recommend picking these up. And where do I see the range going to? These will probably be over 400 easily in like a couple months. My main thing with Yeezy is I pick up base sizes, and these aren't doing too well, even though like more monotone colors of Yeezys and base sizes do better. This one is more like of an like OG colorway for older sneakerheads to appreciate. If this just dropped and it wasn't a classic colorway, I feel like the hype wouldn't have been as crazy, and it just would have been like another brick Yeezy for selling around like 260, 270. But yeah, that's my resale prediction. I do recommend you guys picking these up right now and either holding on to them or selling them for like a quick flip. All right, now to wrap things up with my final opinion. First things first, I do want to say it feels really good to be back in front of the camera, man. Just talking to you guys, and just know like we're gonna engage a lot more going down. But unfortunately, I'll be passing on this shoe personally, just because I'm kind of past the Yeezy phase, and this wasn't one of my favorite colorways out of the pack when they came out, like the first 5 Yeezy V2s that came out. I still have a couple Yeezys in my collection. I have the all blacks, the breads V2s, the zebras, Yeezy slides 700 V2s, just a couple stuff that, like I said, I have to keep them so I can rock them with like Adidas gear, you feel me? So yeah, I'll be passing on these unfortunately, but they are a very clean colorway. You guys let me know your opinions down below in the comments. And it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.